Hey, I'm Sunshine. Hey, I'm Yaya. Welcome to our channel. Before we get started, click on the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give us a huge thumbs up. Hi guys, my name is Sunshine. Hi guys, my name is Yaya. What up? So today we're making slime. So for slime, we're gonna use This slime is metallic glue. So today we're gonna add 2 ingredients. Then after we're gonna show you some ones that we can make, like these ones, and the rest is the real this one too, because it has like that's the one we make. So let's get started. First, let me. So guys, first let me tell you about this. So it's really simple how to do it. All you gotta do 2, but you guys have to see it. So Sarai's gonna go first. Can I do some too? Sure. Squeeze it. Oh. Fart. Kick fart. Guys, you know what? This is what I do. I do this look. So I'm gonna put a teaspoon of crunchy slime activator. It can't when it's slime stick. So I'm gonna pour it in. So I'm gonna mix it with the spatula. Yes, it's gonna mix. Can I swing after? That looks slime. Ow. Getting slime. Wait, yeah. Can I mix now? Mix harder together. No. Hard. It's coming. It looks like slime now, guys. Guys, I think I'm gonna try with my hands. Yeah, time. Oh. Okay, guys, look at that back. Boy. Oh no. Yeah, guys, some of them stick on this. Yeah, I'm just gonna. I'm gonna start. So guys, this ingredient is kind of sticky because you gotta keep making it so it can get harder. So I think this is gonna take a while. Wait. Guys. Now, first of all, you're moving it to yourself. I don't like it. So, so guys, it's really hard to make this ingredient. Wait, I want to see something if it's true. Okay, so guys, we're done. Are you ready to show them? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, so guys, this is so nice. If you guys are copying us, you guys can do it. You guys can pause the video and you guys can keep mixing it. Well, because we did the wrong thing, but it was actually really good to make a mistake. So guys, let me show you it. So look, we did this. Then we mixed it. Second, we did this. Now it looks like we need more of this because I like how it goes because I like it. Yeah, I like the bubbles, right? Okay, what's up, guys? So we have to put the sparkly blue. Yeah. So now we're gonna do another slime and another slime. I'm going first. Wait, we have to use this first. Okay. Cool. Wait, this first? Ooh. Oh, actually, this first. That. Okay, so I have this. Yeah. Okay. My turn. Wow. See? Say, can I try the potting mix? Yeah, it's easy for me. This one first. This one is a lot than this one. Look. So guys are gonna put the sprinkles and the sprinkles because we don't know what to do, so I'm just gonna put a little bit and see. Ew. That's so nice. guys, so I'm mixing now.
Go.
See, guys?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Looks
Watery.
Yeah. Try sis. When it gets when it
Gets hard. It feels so satisfying when you like take it off your skin. But like when it's dried out your skin.
oh my gosh.
It's hard.
Okay, guys, look.
Yeah, so
I don't like when the slime is still sticking on me. Oh, look at that bubble.
So guys, we're done for today, and you guys are gonna see another slime video, like more slime videos, because we're not gonna finish this one. So it's just the same thing again, but we gotta make it together.
Yeah.
But
We're not making it
another
together.
slime video.
I don't-
See you guys later. Bye.
I don't want to make all the slime because I want to make spread slime. Like this slime spread, this slime spread, this.
Bye guys.
Peace.